This feature is useful at times when the gate must be kept open for extended periods of time. When cutting the lawn on the pavement, for instance, with auto close override party mode active, any trigger on any input will simply result in the control card beeping to indicate the gate is being kept open intentionally. To begin, I will press and release my full opening button. Gate will begin to open. I will stop the gate. I will press and release my holiday lockout button on my transmitter to open up for a 5-second window period. Press and release my full opening button in order to activate party mode. To ensure party mode is active, press and release the full opening button. Display will show PAR and 3 rapid beeps. To deactivate, press and release the holiday lockout button. It will open again for a 5-second window period. Press and release the full opening button and the gate will run to the closed position.